In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use groups, also called tags, in MailerLite Classic. Whether you manage a small list or a large one, organizing your subscribers properly helps you send more personal and effective emails. And this feature makes that easy. Start by heading to the MailerLite website. While the homepage highlights tools for building email campaigns your audience will enjoy, our focus today is on organizing your audience so you can target the right people at the right time. Click the Login button and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the Subscriber section. This is your central place for managing and reviewing subscriber data, and it's the best area to tidy up your contacts so everything stays clear and actionable. After you click Subscribers, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here you can review your audience and prepare to sort your contacts into helpful groups. Think of this as the foundation for cleaner segmentation and more relevant messaging. Now look for the Groups option. Click Groups to start managing your tags. In MailerLite Classic, groups work like folders that help you categorize your subscribers. They're the building blocks for segmentation, letting you create targeted campaigns based on shared characteristics or needs. Inside the Group section, click the Create Group button. This begins the process of organizing your contacts by similar interests, behaviors, or demographics. It's a small step that has a big impact on how effectively you communicate. Enter a clear and specific name for your group. Name it in a way that instantly tells you who belongs there, such as an interest, a life cycle stage, or a region. Consistent, descriptive names save time later and help your team quickly pick the right audience when building campaigns. If you're unsure, think about your marketing goals and what differentiates one segment from another. Then label accordingly. When you're ready, click Create. Your new group is now set up and visible in your groups list. From here, you'll have a clean, organized way to target messaging and keep your account structured as your audience grows. Using groups makes it much easier to send personalized content to the right people. Relevance leads to higher engagement, better deliverability, and stronger relationships with your subscribers. By setting up thoughtful groups early, you'll streamline your workflow and make every campaign more effective. Thanks for watching this guide on how to use groups in MailerLite Classic. Keep your organization simple, your names consistent, and your goals clear, and you'll see the benefits in your results.